Good morning, everyone. So Carson got up late this morning. He kind of slept in. It's the summertime, and I told him just sleep in. And me, I've been up since 6 o'clock, but I've been super busy, and he hasn't eat, I haven't eat. So I told him we're gonna have brunch, and we're going to make an omelet. With eggs. So here we go.
Turn the stovetop eye on the lowest setting. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to a skillet, and I find that the type of skillet that you use does matter. Now go ahead and coat that skillet really well with that butter. We are going to crack open 2 eggs. Add about a tablespoon of milk, a little salt and pepper to taste, and that's optional. Mix this really well. Now you want to make sure your butter is sizzling. You want it hot, but you don't want it to burn. And don't add your egg until you hear it sizzling. Now we're going to pour the egg in just a little at a time, and I pour it in the middle. And now I'm gonna kind of go around because you want to make sure you even this out. And sometimes it depends on if your stove's not sitting level, it might lean, or your pan's not level. But I like this pan because it's very level, and it's been doing very well for me. So I have been practicing, I'm not gonna lie, mostly because I want to impress my husband and kind of show him that I can do it. Now grab a spatula, and you want the thinnest spatula you can find, a metal one, and then we wait. Now I did cut this video short, and this has been cooking for quite a few moments, and it will start to cook around the edges, and once it does, you can go ahead and add your cheese. And it really takes patience for this. Now I'm just checking to make sure that it's not scorching, burning. And now we wait. But see how it's starting to cook around the edges and in towards the middle. Now when you can stick a spatula under this and you feel confident, go ahead and flip it. And as you can see, mine was not perfect. It tore a little bit on the edge there. I probably got a little impatient. Now I'm going to make another one, and this one's for me. I like mine a little bit brown. So I've let this one cook. I've got the cheese in it, and let's see how I do with this one. There we go. When you fold it over, if you'll overlap it a little, you can pull it back with your spatula, or it may slide back a little. And then you'll have the perfect fold. It takes a little practice, but if I can do it, you can do it.
Papa and I can be a little bit competitive in the kitchen. He showed me how to make an omelet because he makes the best. And this morning, I made Carson and I some omelets, and let's see what these taste like.
Now for this one, I got some cheese.
You got cheese? This is so good. So if you've never made an omelet, just
Come to this person.
come to this person. No, not necessarily, but if you've never made an omelet, just follow my husband's instructions, because my omelets used to look horrible until I followed his instructions, and they actually turned out pretty good. So I'm proud of myself. Yay! We're gonna go have some breakfast, and you guys have a good day.